Good morning everyone. Let us see how to draw the circles. Here I have written one question in front of you. It says draw circles whose radius is given below 5 centimeters, 4.5 centimeter, 3.6 centimeter and 6.2 centimeter. I'll draw two circles over here and you can try two by yourselves. First let me start with the 5 centimeters one. For this, first of all, you need to mark one point and mark it as center, that is C. You can also give it some other label like capital O or capital any other alphabet. Now, since we have to draw the circle with radius 5 centimeters, what you are to do is keep your scale and open your compass till 5 centimeters. For opening it till 5 centimeters, keep your pointed edge on 5 and open till 0. You can do the vice versa also, keeping your pointed edge on 0 and opening till 5. It will give you exact opening of 5 centimeters. Now keep the pointed edge on the center that you have assumed and draw the circle. Make sure that your compass is not loose and you draw a perfect circle. Along with this, you have to at the end draw one radius, mark that radius and label it. Label it for 5 centimeters. Same way, let us draw one more circle. Let it be 4.5 centimeters. Mark one point, let it be O this time. Now, keeping your scale and marking it for 4.5, starting from 0 up till 4.5. I hope you all know how to measure the decimals. Now keeping your compass on the center and construct a circle of 4.5 centimeters. Now you can again draw the radius over here. The radius could be any side. I am marking in this side now, writing here O and it is 4.5. Make sure that you do the labeling. The main reason is that it gives you the exact information about what you are doing. Now, we can also be given the diameters and then they might have asked us to draw the circles. Now you can see in the second question, draw circles whose diameters are given 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters, 8.4 and 5.4. For drawing the circle with these diameters, first of all, let us take A part. In this, you have to first of all find out the radius. Radius is always equal to the half of the diameter. So half of the diameter, which is 6 centimeters, we will get 3 centimeters. Now keeping the radius as 3, we can follow the same steps as given in question number 1. First of all, mark the center as O. Open your compass for 3 centimeters. You can draw the circle only with the radius. You cannot do this with the diameter directly. You will have to first of all find out the radius and then you can simply draw the circle. And since the circle we have to draw with the diameter, so we will mark the diameter here, say AB, and you can write it down as 6 centimeters. No doubt we are doing the question finding out the radius. But yes, since the question is related to diameter, so we are going to do the markings of the diameter. Now, for the next question, you can try B and C part by yourselves. And in the D part, 5.4 centimeter is the diameter given. So first of all, we are going to find out the radius, which is half of the diameter. So it will be half of 5.4. Now there are many ways to solve the half of this. Directly you can do the cutting, you can remove the decimal, you can do long division. With any method you can do this question. When we will do the half of 5.4, we will get 2.7. Now again, keeping one center with us and opening the compass till 2.7. Now 2.7, start counting from this 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 lines after the center line, 2 smaller lines after the center line will give you 2.7. Open your compass and draw a circle. And finally, since again the question is given with the diameter, so we are going to mark the diameter. I would mark it as PQ now, which gives us 5.4 centimeters. Let us try one more question. Draw a circle of radius 4 centimeters. Draw its longest chord and measure it. So first of all, let us draw the circle. Let the center be C and opening the compass till 4 centimeter as it is the radius only given. It's 4 centimeter. Draw the circle. After drawing the circle, you must know what is a chord. Only then you will be able to draw the chord. Chord is something that it is a line segment that joins one point to the other point on the circle itself. It means any line joining one point of the circle to the other point on the circle. But he is asking for the longest chord. Longest chord means which passes through the center. The line passing through the center is always the longest chord. AB. Now if we are going to measure it, it will be 8 centimeters. Exactly 8, because this is also the diameter. So longest chord of the circle is always the diameter of the circle, which has come out to be 8 centimeters. Now if you have any doubt, you can either write it down in the text box or you can directly mail us to the given mail ID. Thank you.